Today's lesson is triple-digit subtraction with regrouping. We will be regrouping in both the ones place and the tens place in some of these equations. Today's equation is 634 minus 159. Before we start, let's review the rules. The first rule is, if there's more on the top, no need to stop. You need to subtract. The second rule is, if the numbers are the same, zero's the game. And the third and final rule is, if there's more on the floor, you need to go next door. So let's look at this number in the ones place. We have 4 minus 9. First thing we're going to do is we're going to circle the biggest number. Our biggest number is the 9, and if you notice, it's on the floor. So since it's on the floor, we need to go next door. We're going to borrow from this 3, which becomes a 2, and this 4 becomes a 14. So now we have 14 minus 9, which equals, did you say 5? Good job. Now let's look at the tens place. Let's circle the bigger number. Our bigger number is on the floor again. So since it's on the floor, we need to go next door. This time we're going to go next door into the hundreds. This 6 is no longer a 6, it becomes a 5 because we're going to borrow from it. And we're going to regroup it in the tens column. Now we have 12 tens, which is the same as 120. So now I have 12 minus 5, which equals 7. Finally, let's go to our hundreds column, and we have 500 minus 100, which equals 400. Did you guys come up with 475? Good job. Okay, I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to write down the equation and pause the video and solve it. Our first equation is 762 minus 97. Alright, let's get ready to solve this. Remember, the first thing we need to do is we need to look at the 2 and the 7 and decide which one is bigger. I hope you circled the 7, because 7 is bigger than 2. And since there's more on the floor, we need to go next door. We're going to go next door to the tens. So we're going to borrow from the 6, and it becomes a 5. And this 2 becomes a 12, because 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now we have 12 minus 7 equals, did you say 5? Good job. Now let's look at this tens column. We have 5 tens minus 9 tens, or the same as 50 minus 90. Well, 90 is bigger than 50. So since it's on the floor, we need to go next door. We're going to go next door to the hundreds. This 7 becomes 600, and this 10 becomes 100 plus, or the 5 becomes 100 plus 5, which is 150. Which is the same as 15 tens. So 15 tens minus 9 tens equals 6 tens. Finally, let's look over here in the hundreds. We have 6 minus, oh, there's nothing there. So 600 minus 0 equals 600. Did you come up with 665? Good job. Don't forget to bring the piece of paper in to your teacher tomorrow to show her your work. And if you bring in your question tomorrow, your teacher has a surprise for you.